Every single day, this factory turns raw cocoa beans into over 3 million chocolate bars. And it all begins with beans that traveled halfway across the world. Massive sacks of cocoa beans arrive by the truckload. Each sack weighs over 100 pounds. They come from farms in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Workers inspect every batch for quality. Only the finest beans make it to the production floor. The beans are poured into giant roasting drums. Watch closely as they tumble and spin inside. The temperature rises to nearly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where the magic begins. Roasting unlocks the deep, rich chocolate flavor. The smell alone fills the entire factory. After 20 minutes, the beans are perfectly roasted, golden brown, ready for the next step. The roasted beans move to the cracking machines. They're broken into smaller pieces called nibs. Powerful fans blow the outer shells away. What remains is pure cocoa. These nibs are the foundation of every chocolate bar. Now the nibs enter massive grinding machines. Giant stone wheels spin slowly, crushing them into a thick paste. The friction creates heat, and the solid nibs turn into a liquid. This is cocoa liquor. No alcohol, just pure liquid chocolate. Smooth, silky, perfect. The cocoa liquor flows into giant mixing vats. Sugar is added. For milk chocolate, powdered milk joins the blend. Massive blades stir everything together. Every grain must dissolve. Temperature sensors monitor the mix constantly. Precision is everything. This is conching, and this step separates good chocolate from great chocolate. The mixture is stirred for hours, sometimes up to 72 hours. Bitterness disappears. The texture transforms, smooth, creamy, velvety. Now comes tempering. The chocolate is heated, cooled, then heated again. This aligns the cocoa butter crystals. It creates that glossy shine and that satisfying snap when you break a bar. The tempered chocolate flows into molds. Each mold is filled in less than a second. Bars, shapes, intricate designs. Vibrating tables remove trapped air bubbles. Nothing is left to chance. The molds enter a cooling tunnel. The temperature drops to just above freezing. By the time they exit, the chocolate is solid, perfectly set. The molds flip upside down. A gentle tap, and the chocolates fall free. Cameras inspect every piece. Cracks, bubbles, imperfections. Anything flawed is melted and reused. Now the packaging begins. Robotic arms move in perfect sync. Each bar is wrapped, boxed, stamped. Thousands of bars every single hour. Boxes are stacked onto pallets, stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. From here, chocolate ships around the world. Some reach store shelves within 24 hours. Back inside, the machines keep running. Beans roast, mixers blend, molds fill, robots wrap. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Because somewhere, right now, someone is unwrapping a chocolate bar. And this factory made sure it's perfect.